Principle of dominance in game theory. Actually, principle of dominance means or else saddle point mix strategy or principle of dominance. In a game situation, sometimes a player's strategy might found to be suitable. So some other strategy or strategies such as strategy is set to dominate the other ones. This is called dominant strategy. Means sometimes a gameplay strategy might found to be suitable to other strategy, some other strategy. Okay, if a player thinking that other strategies are suitable for game, so he will opt other strategies. Such strategy is known means changing of strategies is known as dominance dominant strategy. Okay, using the principle of dominating, the size of the payoff matrix can be reduced. Okay, size of the payoff matrix will be reduced. Okay, the need for reducing the payoff matrix size is to follow the simple method to solve the rectangular game. Okay, for example, this is the matrix given. The size of the matrix will be reduced. Reduced means rectangular means like 4 points, only 4 numbers. Okay, only 4 values. So size will be reduced to solve the rectangular game. Okay, here are the some formulas to check the value of x, and this is for value of y, this is for value of game. Formula is pretty easy. For example, a22 a21. Okay, for value of x and value of y, there is only what is the change means a21, and in y a12 will only change, otherwise remain a11 plus a22 is same. Okay, LCM. So here in the lower case a2 a12 plus a21 a12 plus a21. Okay, the minus will always same, only the changes of x and y is a21 and a12. 12 means first value and second value. Like value of game a11 and a22, a12 and a21. This is not 9, this is a. Then divide by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. This is the value of game formula. Now let's start the problem. For example, let's solve the following particular game. Solve the following game by using dominance property. This is player B strategy, this is player A strategy. Okay, solution. How we solve this? The following strategy is: check for first saddle point. First check for saddle point. Check for saddle point. Okay, I have drawn a box here to enter the following strategies. Okay, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, row minimum, row minima. Okay, A1, A2 and A3, column minimum, maxima. Okay, enter the strategies: 2 2 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 2 1 minus 2 minus 3, 4 3 4 minus 2 0, 5 1 2 5 6. Row minimum means what is the minimum? -3. What is the minimum? -2. Okay, what is the minimum? 1. Now column max 5 3 4 5 and 6. From it's a minima means mini max. What we have to choose now? Max. This is we have to choose. 1 is the max around this, so this is called mini max. Mini max. Now this is the maximum value, so we have to choose mini, means max mini. Max mini. So we are not getting any saddle point because this is from here we got 1, but from here we got 3, so there is no saddle point, so we have to go for dominance way. Okay, so since mini max is equal to max mini saddle point does not exist. So what we have to do, we have to apply principle of dominance. Step 2, principle of dominance. Principle of dominance. Okay, so I have created already a table here to calculate the principle of dominance. So this is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, A1, A2, A3. What we have to do, first we have to check. Okay, first enter the values 2 4 5 from this table. 2 3 1 2 3 1 1 4 2 1 4 2 -2 -2 5 -2 -2 5 -3 -3 0 6 -3 0 6. First we have to compare B1 and B2. Okay, B1 B2. First we have to compare column B1 B2. Okay, so for the calculation of column, what we have to do, we have to check the minimum, which is the minimum. Okay, for the row we have to check the max, but here which is the minimum? Oh, so at the time of row we have to check that one. Okay, at the time of column we have to check which is the max and which is the mini. So max is, what is the max? So we have to check the maximum for the column. For the calculation of row we have to check the mini. So max is means A1 B1, so there is 2 are equal. Here 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 1, means B1 is dominating B2, as B1 is dominating B2. Therefore B1 is deleted. Okay, B1 is deleted. After deleting, how much? 1 2 3 4 rows. 4 rows is there. After deleting, how much we are getting? We are getting only 4 row. So take B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and A1, A2 and A3. Okay, take the values, this one 2, 3, 1, 1, 4, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 5, minus 3, 0, 6. What we have to do now, first we have checked 1 to 2. Now go for row. Calculate A1, A2. Now here we have to see which is the lesser than. Here 2 is the lesser, first to second. 2 less than 3, 1 less than 4. For row, take minimum. Take minimum. Okay. So 2 is a minimum 3, 1 is a minimum 4. This is the equal, and minus 3 is 0, minus 3 is less than 0. So A1 is B1, A2 is dominating A1. Okay. So which is dominating? A1 is dominated by A2. So A1. So which is the mini? This is the mini and this is the greater. When we calculating column, the highest column we have deleted. But here, which is the minimum? The minimum row will be deleted. Means A1 is the minimum row, so minimum row will be deleted. For the purpose of column is a maximum. We will calculate max in a column, so max row will be deleted. For the row, when we calculating the row, the mini column will be deleted. Now we have A2 and A3. So A1 is dominating A2. Okay, that's how you dominating by A2. So A1 is deleted. Okay, so A1 is deleted. Now what we have? We have only B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay, and we have A2 and A3. Take the values 3, 1, 4, 2, minus 2, 5, 0 and 6. We have this value. Now compare B3, B2 and B3, these two. Compare these two. When we are comparing column, max we have to see, and that maximum we have to delete. Column, for column max, for column take max. For deleting, okay. So which is the max? 2 is the max. So 4 is the max, and here 2 is the max. So B3 is the max. So delete the B3. B3 will be deleted. So B3 is dominating B2. Therefore B3 is deleted. Okay, now what is the remaining one? B2 and b4 and b5. Okay, here 3 1 a2 and a3. 3 1 minus 2 5 0 and 6. Now calculate between b2 and b5. Because this one always greater than, when you see b2 and b4, here compare 3 is a greater than minus 2, here 5 is a greater than 1, so is not calculating proper way, so go for b2 to b5. So 3 is a greater than this one, but 6 is a greater than 1, so highest value is a 6 max value. Here only 3 means here is a max value is a 6, so remove the, because this one first is highest in b2 but second is highest in b5 and this is the largest highest, so delete this one. So now we got the only, so here write b2 b5, b5 is dominating, b5 is dominating b2, so b5 deleted. Okay, so now check for saddle point, because it's a payoff matrix reduced and it became rectangular. Now check for saddle point. Check for saddle point. Okay, this is the a2 and here a3, b2 b4, this is row minima and here column minima, sorry, column maxima. What is the remaining? 3 and 1 minus 2 and 5. Here row minima is minus 2, here 1, column maxima is 3, here is a 5. Here what is the max? 1 means mini max. Here we have already seen mini, from that we have taken max. Here we have already taken max. Now check the mini, this is the mini, means it's a maxi max mini. Okay, so we didn't get the saddle point. If we check here also, if we okay, this is from here only now, so we didn't get the saddle point. So now we have to go for the formula. Let's A play strategy A2 with x as a probability and strategy 3 with 1 minus x as a probability. Let B play strategy B2 with y as a probability. Okay, now let's see the formulas. Okay, let's see the formula. First, let A play strategy A2 with x as probability and strategy A3 with one minus x as probability. This is for player A play. This is B for B play. Let B play. Let B play strategy let's B play strategy B2 with, because when you see here this A2 and A3, A2 is a probability, A3 is a strategy. B play B2 is a probability and B4 is a strategy. Okay, with Y, for example XY we are taking as probability and strategy. Probability and strategy. Okay, whereas B4 with 1 minus y as probability. Okay, now we have to calculate the formula. What is the formula for x and x2? Let's create first formula point. What is the main thing in the formula? Let's check it out. A22. Let's write here separately, means A22 we have to see, A21 we have to check, A11 and here A12, A21 already taken, A22 taken, A12 taken, 1122 means we have already 4, there is only 4. So let's check it from the box. Here is the box. A2 B2 means A2 and B2 also. We have here it's taken only A according to formulas. Okay, now A22 means A2 and this is B2. Sorry, this is one. A2 means here is A2 and B2 is a here. Sorry, A1 this is 1, this is 2. B4 this is 1, first is 1, second is 2. A first is 1, second is 2. So A2 is 5 and B2 is 5. This is B1. Okay, so this is the A1, this is the A2. Okay, for B this is the B, this is the B2. So A2 and B2 is 5. Now A2 B1, this is A2, sorry, this is A2, this is B1. Okay, for example I am putting here A1, this is A2, I am putting, this is B1 B2. So A2 B1 means this is A2 and this is B1 means here 1. Okay, now A11, this is A1 and this is B1 means 3. A1 and 2, this is A1 row and this is B2. this A1 row, this is B2 means minus 2. This is how we have to check, and now we have to insert into the formula value of x. This is the formula for value of x. First write this formula. Value of x. Value of x. Okay, first write the formula A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Insert these values. A22 means 5 minus A21 means this is the 2 1. Here A11 means 3 plus 22 means 5 minus A12 means minus 2 plus A21 means this is 1. 5 minus 1, 4. This is 8. Minus to minus plus. This is verb. This is plus, this is minus. So minus 1. Minus 1 and this is the minus. Minus into minus plus. 4 divided by 9. A21, you know. Sorry, we have little change here in the question. Right, it's 5 by 9. 4 by 9, correct. Okay, 4 by 9. Now A3 will be for A3. What is for A3? 1 minus x, you know, A3. So 1 we got, x how much we got? 4 divided by 9. So take the LCM. 9 ones are 9 minus 4 means 5 divided by 9 for A3. What you have to do is you have to put in a box. This is the play race strategy. Optimal strategy. Okay, this is strategy and this is probability. A1, A2, A3. So A1 is eliminated, so put 0. A2 how much we got? 4 divided by 9, and A3 how much? 5 divided by 9. Now calculate for optimal strategy for B. Optimal strategy for B. Okay, here strategy, here probability. For B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. B5 is eliminated. We have B2 and B4, no? So B3 also eliminated and B1 also eliminated. So take 0 which rows and columns are eliminated. So only B2, B4 we have to calculate. So now calculate the value of game for Y. Okay. So take the Y formula. This is the value of game for Y. So this is the, we have taken value of game for Y formula. Now insert the values. What is the values? A22 is 5, A11 is 3, A12 is minus 2, A21 is 1. So insert into this formula, Y formula. Y is equal to A22 means 5. A12 means here is a 1 2 minus 2. Bracket here. A11 means here 3 plus 22 means 5 minus A12 means minus 2 plus A21 means here is 21 is a 1. Minus into minus plus. Okay, so plus this is a 7 here, this is 8. 8 minus into plus, sorry, here this is minus, this is plus, means minus 1. Minus 1 means minus into minus plus, and means plus 1. 7 divided by 9. For B4 the strategy is 1 minus y, so this is 1. What we have got? Probability 7 divided by 9. Take LCM. 9 ones are 9 minus 7, 2 divided by 9. Okay, so take into the column where B2 is 7 divided by 9 and B4 is 2 divided by 9. This is the player A and player B optimal strategy. Okay, and B1, B3, B5 is 0 because it is eliminated, and A1 is eliminated. That's why we already kept 0 here. This is how we solve the game by dominance property or dominance strategy. Now what we have to do? Calculate the value of game formula. The value of game formula should be compulsory. Otherwise right here like value of game. Inside the values means what is the value of A? A22 is 5, A11 is 3, A12 is minus 2, A21 is 1. Now enter into problem 5, means value of king. Okay, first write the formula for value of king. A11 A22 minus A12 A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Okay, this is the formula we have written. So now entered this value here. A11 means 3 into 22 means 5 minus 12 means minus 2 into 21 means 1 divided by A11 means 3 plus 22 means 5 minus 12 means minus 2 plus 21 means 1. 3 5s are 15. This is 2 1s are 2. Minus into minus plus 2. Two ones are 2, minus into minus plus. Then here this is 8, 2, remove 1, then minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, means 17 divided by 9. Therefore the value of king is 17 divided by 9. This is how we calculate the game theory by dominance property.